you so much for this experience. On behalf of my class and myself as well, I think this was such a unique, special, and one-in-a-lifetime chance to really fully hands-on, to look around, to hear, and to feel how every staff member here works, how they feel about their jobs. And I think it was so pleasing to see how close all the staff members are and all the teamwork, as HR showed us the events that they host, where every single staff member is there and they are able to freely communicate with each other and to just enjoy what they do. I feel like this was so rare. I'm very grateful that I got to experience this in my life, because things like this you're not able to learn in the classroom, to really get that hands-on feel about everything. So thank you so much.
You're more than welcome.
It has been an amazing experience. We were lucky and very grateful to Orion Hotel team that they provided our travel and tourism students with intensive training program of how to run a 5-star hotel, and also to tell them about the difference between a boutique hotel and a star category hotel. So the children had wonderful experience. They actually had training, intensive training program from morning 9:30 until 4 o'clock today, where they get to learn about purchasing, food and beverages, PR, HR, marketing and customer care department from the managers and the team professionals who were able to explain them with their experience and tell them in detail about the industry. The students were very excited. They actually had a full tour of this beautiful property, and thank you to Ms. Anara, who is one of the directors of the hotel, that she provided us with this opportunity. Our students are very excited, and I'm looking forward to do much more real-life experience, real-life hand-on experiential training for the students of different departments in different majors from our high school. Thank you.